Hello everybody. Myself Chef Priya at DY Patil University School of Hospitality and Tourism Studies. Pandemic has made all of us to think a lot. Think in terms of syllabus, think in terms of practicals, and think in all the aspects of hospitality education. Here at DY Patil University School of Hospitality and Tourism Studies, we made sure the students are kept abreast with the developments in the industry, and also they are updated with all that is required to be a very good hospitality professional. In this session, I'll be showing all the students how are the different equipments used in the kitchen and what are the different types of equipments used.